Candy, coming back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about something just a little bit different. Everybody knows that COVID-19 is going on right now and it's really serious. So just before I even start this video, usually I would say like, subscribe, and comment, but stay your ass aside. And then like, subscribe, and comment, okay? So look, lately I have been kind of struggling a little bit because of COVID-19. I actually lost my job. And when that first happened, it was just like, I was really sad. It's a lot and it's really stressful. But to try to combat me not being employed right now and me being technically laid off, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try something new. I just needed money. But I did download an app called Instacart. And so for a lot of people who probably don't know what Instacart is, because I literally just found out about it last month, it's an app where it's kind of like DoorDash or these other delivery services with fast food, except it's with grocery shopping, right? So basically what you do is you install the app, you do your application on there, all the information, whoop, and then after you're done and you get approved, like you get a job, they send you a Instacart card, a lanyard that says Instacart. So what you do is you go grocery shopping for people and you deliver it to their house. And then after that, you make the money. You make the money, son. Period. So when I first downloaded this app and wanted to try it, honestly, I did not even think these people would email me back, call me back. I didn't think the app would go through. I just thought I was not a candidate for this. I didn't think I would go get the job, okay? So I just want to say thank you to Instacart for giving me this opportunity. This video is not sponsored, but this is the first job I actually like because all I do is shop, y'all. But like I said, Instacart is a great way to just put some extra cash in your hands. Whether you have rent to pay, whoop the whoop and whoop the whoop this, Instacart really allows you to make as much money as you can. You know, it's like you work your own shift, so that is great. So it's like, what's not to love about Instacart? I put a couple of videos on the side so y'all can see. I kind of wanted to try to make a little vlog, but y'all, about this, you're just gonna see, you know, videos of me shopping, whoop the whoop whoop, you know, all that stuff. And honestly, when I first started, it wasn't even that hard. Like, it's almost like a game. Like, it's like the tutorial happens as you're shopping. So, you know, you're shopping, and you'll get a notification like, ooh, you just follow the directions. Like, that's what I did. Not like one of these crazy side gigs people be having nowadays, or, you know, fake clickbait and stuff like that. Like, this is actually a way to put money in your pockets. And you know, one of the things I actually like about it is, especially during this whole pandemic, some people are really more likely to catch COVID than other people, obviously, like older people. And so right now, those are a lot of customers that I'm getting, and everybody's really so sweet. And so for people who are really at high risk for getting COVID, like, you kind of feel good, like, after you finish the delivery, you know, you're like, dang, I helped somebody like a little bit. My job essential a little bit, just a little bit, you know, that really feels good as well. And I also do want to explain real quick about batches and earnings. Basically what a batch is, it's like a batch of groceries, like a group of groceries. So you get a batch, it comes to your phone as a notification. You go on your phone, you be like, what? And then it gives you the closest store that you're near that the customer needs to buy groceries from. So that store, it has all the items as an image on the bottom, and the brand, and the aisle. This day, I had no idea they even gave you the aisle that you need to go grocery shopping on. That helps so much with time. It's so easy, y'all. Like, I'm gonna literally have to make a whole vlog video for y'all. But yeah, you go, you take your Instacart card, you let them know, hey, this is for Instacart. Hey, you have a set PIN code, I guess, when it comes to debit cards and all that stuff. Then you're on your way to the delivery. Everything is in the app, y'all. Like, I couldn't be more serious. Deliver, and then yeah, somebody's really happy and you made some money. I raised about $150 all per me. Isn't that crazy? I honestly did not think this app was gonna work. I was just like, let me just try and just see. Let me just see. So that's basically just what I wanted to say about Instacart so far. I literally made $150 within 4 to 5 days, and that's absolutely crazy. Like in the instant cash out, all you need is 50 cents, and with all this money you're gonna be making on Instacart, look, you gonna have more than 50 cents to spend. Okay, what I made up there, if I still have it, juicy. I like this filter. That is, I'm done talking about Instacart to y'all. If y'all want a full day's vlog of what it's like to be an Instacart shopper and how I actually go from the app to like money, comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and I will give y'all all the tea on how to make you some money. Like, I got you. Until next time, girl Candy, make sure you hit the sub button, like click it. Okay, let me know all your thoughts on this video down below in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time in another one. Peace.